I just got home from work and I want to make this viral feta pasta that everybody keeps talking about. And I'm wearing a hat because it's cold in my house and I just turned the heat on and I'm waiting for it to warm up.
Pure Michigan.
So that's what's going on. So I've got all my ingredients. I've assembled my ingredients and let me show you. The recipe calls for a block of feta cheese, cherry tomatoes. Those are for another day. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Don't worry about it. The only pasta I had was elbows. I mean, I know there's like bow tie pasta and stuff. Some olive oil, some spices and stuff. I was reading on TikTok because I'm TikTok obsessed. Better tasting if you put flavor in it. So I put Flavor God. I love Flavor God seasonings. So they're really good. I have the Taco Tuesday. I put the honey barbecue stuff on my chicken. It's really good. So right now I've got my oven preheating. I've got my dish out. Shout out to my Christmas dish. Hold up, I am on my way. What the? Oh man, it's dirty. I gotta wash that. That dishwasher did nothing to clean it. That was really disappointing. I thought my dishwasher was better than that, but you know, it's just, it is what it is. But you know, it's okay. It's alright. Oh, my oven is preheated. Yes! So excited. I love tomatoes. I'm one of those people who love tomatoes. Shout out to those who love tomatoes. I'm sorry if you don't love tomatoes. I'm one of those people who loves tomatoes. So shout out to the tomato fam. So step one, I'm just going for it. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just loosely following a recipe. I'm gonna prep my pan this spring with some olive oil. I know I'm going to pour some olive oil on top, but I'm just going to spray the olive oil. The recipe calls for draining the feta cheese. So I'm going to make sure that I cut the feta cheese. So I'm going to make sure that I cut my feta cheese open. You're in the spices. All right. That's better. All right. So I got to...
What is that?
What is that sound? That was really weird. This is just giving me problems. Like unnecessary.
Oh my God!
Oh! Wow! Oh, it's leaking! No! That's why they said drain it. Okay, they said put it in the middle. I gotta rinse my hand. We got feta juice all over my hands. We're off to a great start here. Okay. Do I have to put olive oil then the tomatoes? Oh, it just says and the tomatoes. Okay, cool. Well, I'm gonna wash these for sure. I wanna see this action going on here. Very exciting. This is my first cooking video and it's announced. You know. You know, I was gonna add the diced tomatoes, but now I'm looking at it and I'm thinking this might be too many. I mean, can never have too many tomatoes. Ooh, this is like really squishy. He shall be mine and he shall be my squishy. I don't think this is gonna be my squishy. I think he's gonna be in the garbage. This was just in my pantry. Yeah, we're just gonna save this for another time. But I am definitely going to do the minced garlic on top. Oh my God, I had spinach.
Oh my God!
Oh, I had spinach. I was supposed to put spinach in here to blanch it. And then water. Oh, yeah. Ah! This is a disaster. Oh my God, it's a disaster. Okay, I need to put it in water and then put it in the pan. But I shouldn't use the Feta scissors. I gotta use something else. Yeah. Okay. Alright, okay, cool. Okay. We conquered spinach. That was easy. Okay. That was relatively easy. Okay. Oh, poo. Should have, oh man, I should have put olive oil on first. But I guess I could just like mix it in. I could just mix it in. That's alright. Man, I almost put vegetable oil in. It's okay. You know what? I should just use my spray. This is gonna be shoddy. That's like legit. Yeah, I feel better about that. I feel better about this. I like this. I like this spray. Where's the cap? There's the cap. All right, let's spice it up. Let's do some minced garlic. Okay, watch me like struggle bus trying to get this open. Oh man. I'm a strong, independent woman and I can open this jar. Oh! That was such a unsatisfying pop. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Oh! I overshot that. Oh no. Actually, that doesn't look that bad. Alright. I'm bringing you in so you can see this. Okay, I know that's a lot of garlic. And it's probably too much garlic. Yeah, it's probably too much garlic. But I like garlic. I need a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I don't know. This is looking real extra. But I mean, it looks good. Onion powder. I lost the cap, that's going in the bag. This is quite the event here. I don't know. I'm a little skeptical, but I love tomatoes, so it looks good. So, all right. So I did finish it with some parsley, and I did put some extra virgin olive oil spray on top to finish it as well. Here's the final image.
Wow! Oh my god!
And as you can see, I ended up spreading out the garlic to put the parsley on. So put it in the oven for 30 minutes. We'll let it roast, let it do its thing. And then when it comes to be 11 minutes before, I'm gonna make my noodles and eat this thing. I'm hungry. Let's do this. In the oven she goes. All right, my water is boiling. I'm gonna put my noodles in. Suppose I'll never know. I miss this show. Noodles are done. I need to be strained. I have a pop-up one that goes perfect timing right on or on top. So see how it goes. I realized my whole life I've been doing this wrong. Right on top of my pot. Feta wrapper in the sink. Oh man, I lost a noodle. Okay, pasta is done. All I had, like I said, all I had was the elbows. So, and I'm gonna check on the. It's been a half an hour. The recipe said a half an hour. I'm gonna go check the recipe. The recipe says could be 30, 40 minutes in the oven to bake. I did 30. So maybe we should just do a couple more minutes just to be safe. It looks pretty much done, but like I want that feta to like really like be gooey, you know, like it just like So maybe I'll give it like 4 minutes because like it's already been like an extra couple. So like 35 minutes maybe? I don't know, I'm just making this up. I don't know what I'm doing. Right, moment of truth. We're gonna take this thing out. I'm gonna take this thing out. Yes, I have a Harry Potter oven mitt thanks to one of my best friends. Right. Last time
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I hate having an oven and glasses. It falls out with glasses. Oh yeah, this looks really good. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Some ASMR. That is a thing of beauty.
Just look at that.
Let's start with like half the noodles. Oh yeah. Oh, this is some Olive Garden stuff right now. Okay. Okay. All right now. Okay, some of my cherry tomatoes did not get cooked. I wonder if that's a fault of my oven. It's alright. It is alright. Oh, you know what? Maybe they just didn't burst. Okay, it's time for the taste test. We're gonna taste this thing. Oh, it smells really good. Ooh, that's good. I really think the garlic makes it. I would recommend garlic on top. And so when it's all mixed, you'll see some of my tomatoes need to get smashed. They are definitely cooked. Oh yeah, see, they need to be smashed with a knife. Yeah, just need to be smashed. Looking back, I probably could have added that extra can of tomatoes, but you know, this is really good. You know what? All these tomatoes need to be smooshed. What am I doing? Like some of these like almost. Oh, I just got tomato juice all over me. These need to be smooshed. Yeah. Some of these whole ones are not chopped up yet. Like if they're not chopped up, they just need to be smooshed. It's been. It's like an Olive Garden dish. Oh, good. All right. Yeah, I definitely did not need to do a whole box. I'm dumb, but that's okay. Well, this is definitely approved. Tune in next time. I'm definitely will make this again, that's for sure. I'm just hopping on here again to tell you. This is so good. This is like some Olive Garden stuff. But I really like, if you don't like tomatoes, you're not gonna like this dish. I'm just saying. It's so good. Okay, bye. See you next time.